Balloon bouquet tutorial. Take a 2-finger single bubble segment, then twist it into a 2-finger double ear twist. Repeat the above steps for more times. The length is determined by the size of the balloon bouquet. And your eucalyptus leaf is done. Next, make the tulip flower. Form a roughly 7 fingers wide single bubble. Fold it over to make the second one. Repeat the above steps to make a total of 6 balloons. During the process, pinch the bubble with your left hand to keep it from coming undone. Try to make each bubble as uniform in size as possible. Gently deflate the balloon by letting out the excess air slowly. Tie off the ends of the balloon. Trim the excess balloon rubber. Twist 2 of the bubbles together. Stuck in the middle. Now twist another set of bubbles. Thread for bubbles toward the center. Gently shape it. Make the tulip leaf. Make a loop bubble about 2.5 fingers wide. Make 3 in total. Tweak the shape gently. Secure the flower and the leaf together. Now we'll create a 5-petal flower. Twist a 3-finger width loop bubble. This step produces 5 pieces. Twist a 2-finger bubble with a green to 6-0Q balloon for the flower center. To face the nozzle forward, twist a single bubble and a single ear twist. At the back, prepare a long balloon to secure the balloon flowers together. Finally, tie a bow to decorate. First twist a single bubble 8 fingers wide. Then twist a single ear twist. Repeat the same step for the bottom end. Fold the balloon in half and hold it to locate the center point. The balloon is divided into 2 sections and twisted into a bow knot shape. Attach the bow S to the balloon bouquet. Trim off the excess balloon. The bouquet is done.